Alrighty then. Got me a little flange. Got me a stubby bubby. Alright guys, I'm not a welder. I watched some guy do it. Alright, and that's how I know how to do it. No lie, I swear. I never went to one class, nothing. I can't weld clean. Whatever, I'm about to save you some money. Alright, not bad. Oh, it's terrible. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta clean it up. Oh, it's so bad. So bad. Jeez and Maurice. I need some real lessons, guys. I really do. But it's alright, because I don't do it all the time. Happy camper. Yee yee! It's not the best. It's not the worst. I don't give a crap. It's not as bad as some of the stuff that I bought online and have sent to me. You ain't gonna really see it under the truck. It's just gonna be bolted up, and there's gonna be another pipe that goes over it. Whatever. Hot now, right? You can't learn unless you try. You know what I mean? Hot damn. Yee yee. Alrighty guys, I'm not a professional welder. Make fun of my welds all you want. Doesn't matter. What matters is that I'm happy, and I'm happy. Alright, so why did I make my own exhaust flange stub? Alright, so what I originally wanted to do was use the exhaust flange stub I got from my JBA header kit, but the holes just don't line up with the MagnaFlow cutout. Alright, so I went online. I needed to find a universal flange. The universal flange, you can see it has a little bit more holage there. Alright, universal flange, and it fits perfectly. All the holes line up. Now what I wanted to do, alright, I'm going to put this stub on the cutout, and every once in a while I'm going to go buy another cheap tip. What I want to try to do is direct and change the sound of the exhaust, alright, coming out of the cutout. Alright, it's basically kind of tuning the exhaust in a sense. Yes, changing the exhaust tip will change the sound, the tone. Alright, if you have a really big tip, giant diameter, probably going to get more of that hollowed out sound, right? Throaty effect, I believe that's what you call it. It's going to sound a little more hollowed out. The smaller the tip, all right, in diameter, you're probably going to direct the sound a little more. All right, and it's not going to sound as deep, okay? Sound waves going in there, bouncing around and coming out, all right? So the tips make a difference. This one actually kind of has a little baffling in it, like a resonator type deal. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I didn't pay nothing for this tip, so I'm going to try this one first. My back really hurts right now. I really want to get under the truck and get this done tonight, but I'm going to hold off a little bit and we'll start pumping out some sound clips. Oh yeah, baby.